Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove the background of your picture in Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do? Simply we have to open the Canva. So as you can see, I have opened the Canva. Now simply we have to click on this plus icon. And now we have to search for the image. For example, I'm going to write the main here. I'm going to press the enter. And we have to place the images here. As you can see, now we have to choose the image in which we want to remove the background. So for example, I want to remove the background of this image. So now simply what we have to do, I'm going to click on this image and we have to copy this image. So I'm going to click on this and now we have to click on the copy image. So let's click on this. And now simply we have to go to this Canva page and for example, I'm going to click on this. You can create a new design as well. So I'm going to delete this one and we have to paste this image here. So I'm going to paste it. And now simply we have to increase the size of this image. And after that, as you can see, you will get an option for the BG remover. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, the background will be removed and after that you can change it easily. So in this way, as you can see, the background is removed. In this way, remove any kind of background in the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.